Now, our third breaking news story this afternoon is this. We now know who will be the new Ohio Attorney General when Dave Yost's resignation takes effect. This morning, Governor Mike DeWine named Public Safety Director Andy Wilson to that position. The announcement happened just a couple of hours ago, and 10 TV's Doug Petcash was there when Wilson answered questions about his plans for the office of AG. Doug.
Well, Tracy, the governor didn't waste any time in making this decision. He made the announcement this morning here in his ceremonial office about 3 hours ago, and it came just 4 days after Dave Yost, Attorney General, announced his resignation. Wilson said today in this news conference that he will bring a lot of energy to the job. He has served as director of the Ohio Department of Public Safety since December of 2022. Now, before that, he was Governor DeWine's senior advisor for criminal justice policy and Clark County prosecutor.
I want everybody listening to this to know that during the 7 months that I'm in this office, I will wake up every morning fully dedicated to serving the people of Ohio. The people who deserve an attorney general who fights crime, who seeks justice, and again, who wakes up every morning with the focus of keeping them safe.
In a statement, Attorney General Dave Yost congratulated Wilson and said Governor DeWine's appointment of Andy Wilson is a wise selection to ensure that the mission of the office and the great progress we've made in the past 7+ years remains in steady hands. Yost's resignation is effective June 7th. He was term limited, so his term would have ended in December. Wilson will be sworn in around June 7th as he takes over the position. Yost is leaving to take a position of vice president with the conservative nonprofit law firm that is called Alliance Defending Freedom. Current auditor, state auditor Keith Faber, will face off against Democrat John Kulowitz for the Attorney General's office in the November general election. And we're going to hear more from Governor DeWine coming up in our later newscasts. Tracy.
All right, Doug, thank you for joining us. We'll be following this story all afternoon.